Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Rayat Shikshan Sanstha, RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, in the last lecture, we have seen solutions of differential equation and some examples based on solution of differential equation. Today also we are going to study solution of differential equation by variable separable method. Okay, now first we see what is meant by variable separable method, and then we see examples on variable separable method. Variable separable method. Now in this method we are going to study the equations of the type f1 of x dx plus f2 of y dy. f2 of y dy is equal to 0, or the equations of the type f of x dx is equal to g of y dy. The equations which are put in the form, in these two forms, then these equations are called as variable separable form of the differential equations. Okay. Now solution of this differential equation can be found by using this formula: integral of f1 of x dx plus integral of f2y of dy is equal to 0. Or we can write here, instead of 0, constant term c. This is the solution of the differential equation f1x dx plus f2y dy is equal to 0. Now in this method, first we have to consider given equation and write the equation in variable separable form, and then take integration on both sides and find out the solution for that differential equation. Now we see examples here. First example, solve the following differential equation. Example, solve the following differential equation. Now we take one by one examples. Number first, dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square. Okay. Now we see answer for this example. Answer: consider given differential equation which is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square. Okay. First we write this equation in variable separable form. That is, we can write this dy upon 1 plus y square equal to dx upon 1 plus x square. That is, take terms of y to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. And this is the variable separable form. This is variable separable form. This is variable separable form of given differential equation. Okay. Now take integration. Taking integration on both sides. Taking integration on both sides, we get integral of 1 upon y square into dy is equal to integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Now we can find the integrals of these 1 upon 1 plus y square and 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now we know that formula there, since integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Okay, using this formula we can write integral of both terms. Therefore this is the integral with respect to y. Therefore integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square with respect to y is tan inverse of y is equal to integral of this integrand 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x is tan inverse of x plus c. Okay, that is we get here equation tan inverse of y equal to tan inverse of x plus c. This is the required general solution, or we can write this in the form tan inverse of y minus tan inverse of x is equal to c. Okay, this is required general solution for the given differential equation. Okay, now we see next example here. The problem is same. Solve the following differential equation. Differential equation is sec square x into tan y, sec square x into tan y into dx plus sec square y into tan x into dy, sec square y into tan x into dy equal to 0. This is the given differential equation. Now answer for this. Consider given differential equation which is sec square x into tan y into dx plus sec square y into tan x into dy equal to 0. Now we have to write this equation in variable separable form. Therefore we can write sec square x into tan y dx is equal to minus sec square y into tan x into dy. Okay, now take terms of x to the LHS and terms of y to the RHS. Therefore we can write here sec square x into dx as it is. Take this term of x to the LHS, which is in the form of division, upon tan x is equal to minus sec square y dy as it is upon this term tan y. That is, we can write here sec square x dx, sec square x upon tan x dx plus sec square y upon tan y into dy equal to 0. Okay, this is the variable separable form of the given differential equation. This is variable separable form of given differential equation. Now taking integration, we get integral of sec square x upon tan x into dx plus integral of sec square y upon tan y dy is equal to 0. Okay, now here derivative of denominator at the numerator, derivative of tan x is sec square x and derivative of tan y is sec square y. Therefore we can use here corollary, since integral of f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. This is the formula. Using this formula we can write integration of these two integrals. Therefore integration of this First integral log of tan x plus integral of this log of tan y. We can take here constant term log c, because both terms are in the form of log, therefore we can take constant of integration as a log c. Okay, now we use here formula log a plus log b. Since log a plus log b is equal to log of a into b is equal to log of a into b, using this formula we can write therefore log of in bracket tan x into tan y is equal to log c, is equal to log c. Now log is cancelled out here, therefore remains only tan x into tan y is equal to c. This is the required general solution for the given differential equation. Okay, this is required general solution for the given differential equation. Okay, now we see next example. Our next example is solve the following differential equation. Again, y cube minus dy by dx, y cube minus dy by dx equal to x square into dy by dx, x square into dy by dx. Okay, now we see answer for this. Answer: consider given differential equation, which is y cube minus dy by dx equal to x square into dy by dx. Now take terms of dy by dx to the RHS or together, therefore we can write y cube equal to x square into dy by dx, this minus term become plus, plus dy by dx. Okay, that is y cube equal to, take dy by dx common here, dy by dx into in bracket x square plus 1, x square plus 1. Now take terms of x to the LHS and terms of y to the RHS. Therefore we can write here dx upon 1 plus x square. Okay, dx upon 1 plus x square equal to dy upon this y cube, dy upon y cube. This is the variable separable form of the given differential equation. This is variables separable form. Okay, now taking integration, we can write here integral 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx is equal to integral 1 upon y cube into dy. Now here we can use formula integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square into dx is equal to tan inverse x. Okay, and here we have to use formula x raised to n, integral of x raised to n is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Now first we can write integration of this term, tan inverse of x is equal to integral of this can be written as y raised to minus 3 into dy. Okay, now use formula here, since integral of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Therefore we can write tan inverse x is equal to integral of y raised to minus 3. Using this formula, we can write here y raised to minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 3 plus 1 plus constant of integration c. That is, we can write tan inverse of x is equal to y raised to minus 2 upon minus 2 plus c. Okay, that is tan inverse x is equal to, we can write this as y raised to minus 2 means 1 upon y raised to 2, that is minus 1 upon 2 into y raised to 2 plus c. Okay, now take this term of y to the LHS, then we can write tan inverse x plus 1 upon 2y square equal to c. Now taking addition here, we can write 2y square into tan inverse x plus 1 upon 2y square equal to c. Okay, now again further we can write here 2y square into tan inverse x plus 1 is equal to 2y square into c. 2y square equal to c, and this is the required general solution for the given differential equation. Okay, now we see also next example. One more example here. Now these examples are slightly different on same method. Therefore next example problem is same. Find the differential equation. Solve the following differential equation. Differential equation is dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y plus x square into e raised to y. Okay, now we see answer for this example. Answer: consider given differential equation. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y plus x square into e raised to y. Now we have to write this in variable separable form. Therefore first we simplify this as dy by dx equal to e raised to x plus y can be written as in the form e raised to x into e raised to y plus x square into e raised to y. Okay, that is dy by dx equal to, we can take here e raised to y common, e raised to y into in bracket e raised to x plus x square. Okay, now take terms of y to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore we can write here dy upon e raised to y and equal to e raised to x plus x square into dx. Okay, terms of y to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Now this is variable separable form. This is variables separable form. Taking integration, we can write here integral 1 upon e raised to y into dy is equal to integral e raised to x plus x square into dx. Okay, now rearranging term, we can write 1 upon e raised to y means e raised to minus y into dy is equal to, here we can take separate integration by rules of integration, e raised to x into dx plus integral of x square into dx. Now further we can find integration for these two integrals. Now here we can use formula integral of e raised to y with respect to y. Integral of e raised to minus y with respect to y is e raised to minus y upon minus 1 equal to integral of e raised to x is e raised to x, and integral of x square is x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus constant of integration c. That is, we can write here e raised to minus y means 1 upon e raised to y equal to e raised to x plus x cube upon 3 plus c. Okay, that is, we can take this minus term to the RHS, then we can write 1 upon e raised to y plus e raised to x plus x cube upon 3 plus c equal to 0. Now we can write here constant of integration as c dash, that is 1 upon e raised to y plus e raised to x plus x cube upon 3 is equal to minus c dash, and finally we can write constant of integration minus c dash means c, that is 1 upon e raised to y plus e raised to x plus x cube upon 3 is equal to c. This is the required general solution for the given differential equation. Okay, now we see next example, one more example here. Now next example is, problem is same, solve the following differential equation. Differential equation is cos x into cos y into dy minus sin x into sin y into dx is equal to 0. Okay, now answer for this example. Consider given differential equation which is cos x into cos y into dy minus sin x into sin y into dx equal to 0. Okay, now we have to write this in variable separable form. Therefore we can write cos x into cos y into dy is equal to sin x into sin y into dx. Okay, now we can take terms of y to the LHS because differential dy to the LHS. Therefore we can take terms of y to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore we can write here cos y into dy as it is. Take this sin y to the LHS upon sin y is equal to sin x into dx upon this cos x. Okay, that is, we can write here cos y upon sin y. Cos y upon sin y means cot y. Cot y into dy is equal to sin x upon cos x means tan x. Tan x into dx. Okay, this is the variable separable form. This is the variable separable form for the given differential equation. This is variable separable form. Taking integration, we can write here integral cot y dy is equal to integral tan x dx. Okay, that is, we can find the integration of these two terms. We know that formally, since integral of cot x dx is equal to log of sin x plus c and integral of tan x dx is equal to log of sec x plus c. Okay, Using these two formulae, we can write integration of these two integrals, that is log of integral of cot y, integration of cot y is log of sin y is equal to integration of tan x is log of sec x. We can take constant of integration as log c. Okay, that is, we can write here log of sin y minus log of sec x is equal to log c. Okay, now we can use here formula log a minus log b. Since log a minus log b, log a minus log b is equal to log of a upon b, log of a upon b. Using this formula, we can write here log of sin y upon sec x is equal to log c. Now log is cancelled out on both sides, remains only sin y upon sec x is equal to c. That is, finally we can write sin y is equal to sec x into c, and this is the required general solution for the given differential equation, or this is simply solution for the given differential equation cos x cos y into dy minus sin x sin y into dx is equal to 0. Okay, we stop here. Thank you.